A quick initial clean will set the stage for optimal performance. Let's get started. Take out the ice basket and fill the water tank with potable water up to the max line. Replace the ice basket, close the lid, and plug in the power supply. Hold the on-off button for 5 seconds to start the 30-minute auto cleaning program. The ice full and add water indicators will flash alternately. After it is complete, unplug and remove the bottom drain plug. Let the water flow and then reseal. You're all set to start your unit. Maintain a 6-inch space around the machine. The recommended ambient temperature is 50 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid exposing the machine to strong light. Add water and let the ice-making magic begin. Remove the ice basket and pour water into the tank. We recommend using filtered, purified, or bottled water for the best ice quality. Pop in the ice maker and plug it in. Your ice maker is ready to roll. Green power, light on means standby mode. Hit on-off button and let the ice-making party begin. Who's ready for some cool vibes? First batch of ice, toss it. They might be smaller and slower, but keep it rolling. It only gets better from here. Perfect ice is on its way. Watch your ice bucket fill up bit by bit. Perfectly stacked, perfectly chilled, icy full. When your bucket's packed, the display panel lights up. Open the lid and remove some ice. The machine will continue the ice-making process. For your information, your ice maker is designed to make ice, not store it. For long-lasting freshness, transfer your ice to the fridge. Keep it cool. Keep it perfect. In standby mode, short press the on-off button to start the ice-making process. When making ice, press on-off again to stop making ice. To start the clean mode, hold the on-off button for 5 seconds in standby to start auto cleaning. Press again to stop. Easy peasy, squeaky clean. The indicator means there is insufficient water. Please check the water tank. When the indicator lights up, it means the ice bucket is full and needs to move the ice. In standby mode, the power indicator light flashes green. In ice-making mode, the power indicator light stays green. In cleaning mode, ice full, and add water indicators. It will flash alternately. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.